Proline is proud to introduce our new HE blower selection. Our high efficiency options come in 3 different applications, which we will discuss today. Firstly, our 1200 HE blower, designed for casual cookers who don't require a lot of CFM, using 1 to 3 burners at a time that will still take advantage of our HE technology. Next, our 1700 HE blower. Similar to the 1200, but with a higher CFM option, this is going to be perfect for avid cookers using multiple burners at high heats. Lastly, our 1300 inline blower. For those that are looking for a more quiet operation, have attic room above their cooking space to install, or have longer, more complex duct runs, this gets the job done without noticing the hood is even on. If you have any questions about required CFM coverage for your stove, or what might be the right blower fit for your kitchen, please reach out to our dedicated team and we will be happy to assist you in your selection.